welcome to my channel. Welcome to It's Rachel. Okay, in this video, I'm doing a Christmas makeup look. So Christmas, it won't be very long. It's, just around the corner. It will be in a few weeks because everybody wants to have a party. They want to look pretty. So I know a lot of you guys wants to going to Christmas party. You will be partying, but for me, I will just probably stay home. So, but I'm making this makeup look right now. So if you decided to create this look, I've done my hair too, and it's Christmas, so you have to have a red color, red lipsticks. You don't have to have a red lipsticks, but it's Christmas, it's red, I don't know if you like this look or not, but so that's what I'm creating right now. If you're interested to see how I created this look, just keep on watching.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
You know just what to say to make it all okay. 'Cause I am too blind to see when you're in front of me. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds, telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Two different minds.
We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide.
Two different minds.
We're not the ones who hide.
Two different minds. Telling lies.
That's how we stay alive.
That's how we stay alive.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to That's how we stay alive.
That's how we stay alive.
They keep on telling lies. That is how we stay. What's wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different.
So if you like this video, leave a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't yet, subscribe now and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new videos. I will be uploading videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. So Merry Christmas, guys, and have fun. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.